What's up, my beautiful journal and planner friends? I hope you are enjoying the springtime. I even more hope that you are using our soft girl era and our spring release stickers to decorate your planner or journal. So I'm not sure if you remember, but during the part 1 of the YouTube video, I mentioned there will be a part 2 of spring release, which is why I'm here. I'm coming to you with our part 2 spring release. This time I have something very special to show you. We have a beautiful curated journal box, and we have 4 amazing Washi and PET tapes to continue fill you with the beautiful soft girl aesthetic for your journal and planner this springtime. So of course, first I'm going to tell you more about this beautiful spring journal box. Before we dive into it, I want to share with you the concept and the reason we create this. So every year I send you a survey, like sounds so formal survey, but basically it's to ask you what do you like, what we have done this year, what do you want to see more next year. So for 2025 survey, we have a lot of people want to see more magical fantasy, like all those type of things. And as somebody who love this type of concept, I cannot say no. And I also love the concept of having a curated box where you have everything. So this is the box for us who love fairy tale, who love magical, whimsical things, creature. And also for the first time, we have a bullet journal. So in this box, we come out with a bullet journal for the very first time of 5 years. I've been doing this journal and sticker small business. I'm very excited. You probably already see the bullet journal at some point on my Instagram or on my YouTube, but this will be your formal introduction to this amazing bullet journal and also this beautiful box. Enough said, I'm going to show you. I'm gonna flip my screen so you can see everything. Okay, friend, so I have this beautiful first ever fairy tale treasure box here. It's a collectible journaling box, means like it's a limited edition, as most of our box will be just like one-time release, not like coming out every month, every season. And this is called Fairytale Treasures, Write Your Own Fairy Tale Collectible Journaling Box. Like I mentioned, it's all about the fairy tale, about the dreamers, all about somebody who believes some magic. And in the back, there's have everything in this box. And the first ever, I'm so proud. After several samples, I have a very brand new bullet journal come out. And I will show you everything in this box. Comes with this beautiful like transparent top where you can see everything. It's a great item for gifts. You have some planner friends, journaling friends, or family members. This is a perfect option for a birthday gift. First up, we have 2 beautiful, very cute and chic post-it note that has this like card that has a carriage. This one is a feature purple lavender carriage shaped post note. This one looks more like a mirror or a frame. Very cute. You can use as a sticker actually. Just put some glue in the back or use as a day-to-day note. But it functions as a post note. So very chic and a fairy tale magic. This one too. You can see it's so pretty, the design. And it's a post note. How many pages? I think it's 60. Don't quote me on this. I truly forgot how many that we decided, but I'll find out and I will put in the description. Second, this is a post note, and then we have a notepad. In the world of fairy tale, she writes her own ending. It's a girl in front of a castle, butterfly in this beautiful floral. Very dreamy, right? The paper is it's definitely not thin and flimsy. It's quite thick, so can hold really pretty good handwriting, and you function as a notepad. Put a beautiful on your table or put it in your journal. This one is a one side, single side notepad. Okay, that's the notepad. Now here comes to our brand new member, Write Your Own Fairy Tale bullet journal. I'm very excited. Me and my team, we have been getting several samples and back and forth finally made this work. It printed on this beautiful PU leather and have this like gold foil details front and back. The back is this courage, very pretty with a star, super magic, right? From what you can see from the cover. And then when you open, this is the front. Continue featuring this beautiful girl in front of the castle rainbow and a unicorn here this journal belongs to. And this is our bullet dots. So it's a dotted journal. How many pages? I think it's 160. I will get all the detail in the description, so definitely check it out. And then the back, another beautiful scenery of the fairy tale. Comes also with a pocket that you can hold stuff. It has this elastic and then a pen loop as well as a little heart charm where you can as a bookmark. So this is beautiful bullet journal from us for the first time. The next we have a beautiful Fairytale, enchanted Fairytale sticker book. It's a full size as we always release. It's a full size Fairytale book, and then underneath there's like those beautiful paper like crack. I don't know how to see that, but like those beautiful gold glitter paper. And then we have a PET, that's a Fairytale, also enchanted Fairytale. And then we have the washi. We have 3 or 4. I think it's 4 washi here, 1 PET, 1 full-size sticker book. So let's take a look of the sticker book. So let's take a look. 25-page beautiful hand-drawn premium sticker book. So when you open, wow, love this color palette. It's very pretty, soft pastel, kind of like spring wonderland. Give you that feel, right? Make today magical. Always believe. Love this beautiful fairy. Even miracles take a little time. And then love all these beautiful fairies. She believe in fairy tale, believe in magic, and you will find it. That's so true. I love this elegant box as well. I just want pretty things and a pair of wings. So cute. And this unicorn, lots of different fairies, as you can see. Leave a little sparkle everywhere you go. And then we also have gold foil detail in here as well. Wild Winds Fierce Soul. There's a gold foil box. Gold foil. Those are cluster box where you just peel. We already designed it for you. Once upon a dream. In a world of fairy tale, she writes her own ending. Love the quote. Love this beautiful castle. Different castles. Wow. Those are hand-drawn. Love the details. Once upon a time. Love this fairy tale. She's inside. Looks like she's inside the castle. Happily ever after. Believe in your own fairy tale. Slay the dragon. Save yourself. So cute. Look at that magic, some sort of a magical thing. Genie, remind me the Aladdin. Remind me Genie. So another cluster box. Washi. This is a washi page. I believe this should be die cut. Oh yeah, it is die cut. Love this group of girls. Her story isn't about waiting, it's about rising. Love all these beautiful different fairies. So pretty. And also here is gold foil too. This page. It's a lot of numbers, I guess in this like ancient way of writing it. Letters and numbers. Stardust and the strings. So those are PET, not PET, PVC, which is transparent. If you love fairy tale collection, we're building up a fairy tale whole collection, including this box, including 7 PET blind box. You can also get the whole thing. She believes in fairy tale. Oh, I love this color. So pretty and so spring, give you all the spring feel. And this one too, this is also gold mirror on the wall. I'm the fairyest of them all. So cool. I love the books. Love all these books. Fairest of them all. So cool. So love the fairy tale. It's one of the highly requested topic and theme. So super happy to release this to you guys, to you ladies, to add more magic to your journal and planner. Look at this whole page. It's leave a sparkle everywhere I go. Look at those stardusts and then the gold foil and all that magic stuff. So this is a 25 25 page of Fairytale, Enchanted Fairytale. The whole box called Fairytale Treasures, and then each item, this is like Enchanted Fairytale collection. So that's the sticker book. Look at the front and back, super magical. And then we have also have the washi and the PET. I'm going to do my swatches. I will be right back. Okay, friends, got the washi swatch back. Take a look. This is like 5mm gold foil kind of texture. This one is 10. It has this like a magical sky. And then this one is the 20. It has the unicorn, different little woodland animal, deer, rabbit, and castle and rainbow. And then this one is a castle, like a little stream and wildflowers. So this is a vertical one, perfect for like the edges or background. So this is for washi. And then of course we have our signature 1.6 repeat PET tape that's full of the magical stickers. Take a look, the floral, beautiful fairy, fairies, the magical creature, crystal, castle. Wow, look at this horse, so fancy. So it's like a fairy tale princess mixed with the fairies magical stuff. Hey, maybe she's a princess during the day, fairy at night. Who knows, right? So look how long the repeat is. Still not over until here. So 1.6 meter long repeat, and you have like three repeats together to just cover give you enough tons of different magical stickers. Let's put everything back together. So you have a beautiful bullet journal with this vegan leather, gold foil detail, charm, elastic pen loop. This is the back. Then you have the beautiful front cover, back cover, and a pocket. So this is the bullet journal in this box. Then you have a full-size Enchanted Fairy sticker book. This sticker book including gold foil for you. Lots of places that has gold foil. So gold foil Enchanted Fairytale sticker book. You have a beautiful, very functional notepad. You can bring with you. Sticky note with a special shape of a carriage and a mirror or a frame. You got 4 washi tips here. Then you have a beautiful signature PET 3.0. So this is the entire box. Super fun, and you got everything. You don't need to go to craft store or go to other places trying to find things that match. We offer you this entire box for everything you need to do a beautiful journal spread or planner spread. So let me show you the back. Go show the back. So this is the back looks like. I even use this box for something, and it's super heavy. I'm not joking. We give you like high quality, really great quality stuff. Super giftable too, right? You can give yourself for birthday, give to someone you love that will find this box, that will enjoy this box. So this is called Fairytale Treasures. Every little thing is like a treasure, right? So it's called Fairytale Treasures collectible journaling box. Write your own fairy tale. Then the back. So you can find all the details down in the description, and I hope you enjoy this box. It's a highly requested topic, something fairy tale, something magical, and then I hope you enjoy. Check out the launch date down below, and let me know what do you think. What's your favorite part about this box? Anything you want to chat, I would love to chat with you in the comment. And don't forget, subscribe. We have so many new content coming out. Definitely you don't want to miss. Talk to you soon, my planner friends. Bye.